Right. Hi guys, Spurface. So today I am well, that's not very secure. I'm doing a update of my helicopters. I haven't even started the airplanes yet because I haven't had the time or the patience. So as the time of this recording, it is 2:30 on Tuesday, the 20 something of October, but 16. But there'll be no videos as of tomorrow until probably when I go back to school. And don't be surprised if I don't make any videos for a good few weeks, because I'm probably going to be in a shitload of trouble with my head of year because I haven't done my bloody homework. And he's also my history teacher, so I am fucked. It's never going to end well. But the update video is these two helicopters. Actually, you can already notice. It's everything that's destroyed for the police purposes. So you've got the air ambulance. I have upgraded it, just slightly. Size I've upgraded just a tad. This is designed to land on unofficial turf. Oh, and I've also found the glass shortly after the video. Just land on a road instead of landing like a jet would. But I'm gonna get another one of these so it can transport it to other hospitals. But I don't really think that would be necessary because. But yeah, I've decided to buy the cargo truck with my own money. Not cargo truck, cargo plane. Sorry. And probably because Christmas is only less than 2 months away now, so I can't wait. I'm gonna get I'm getting money and airfix. I'm getting the Concorde from my nanny and granddad and a lot of money from everyone else. So I'm gonna spend the money on Lego sets, probably depending on how much I have, either the military air show or the cargo terminal. I'm just gonna see and ask someone in my family. I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna lie down because my legs are fucking killing me. My back. I've got really bad back pains right now. Probably what I get carrying all my books around in my bag. Been told I'm going to have a bad back, but I really don't care. Yet. Obviously next year and the year after I can dump a shitload of books, because it's up in a load of lessons. It's definitely going to make my bag slightly lighter. So yeah, I have just finished building this. It's a new addition to the military. Military's under there, as you can see the white nose cone. It's a bomber. Actually got bombs in it. If I flip it, as you can hear. There's bombs in it. The black opens up, so as you can see there's bombs. And they would roll down here to the destination. So they would do this sort of. Oh, they just all decided to deploy. And I realised my camera wasn't being held up by anything. I'll just hold it up like this so I can do a demonstration. Ignore the light. Let me just reload it and I'll be back. Well, actually, I'll load it during the video. It gives you some time to remind you than a set. Not sure if you can see them. Should be. I'm nearly done, guys. Sorry about the silence. Damn it. I'm done. So, as you can see, this would open up. See a black bit would open up, and then, as you can see, I'm not sure if you saw them full. You might have just seen them full, but if not, then yeah. Vlogs on my channel aren't happening at the moment. So you got this. Shit, what the fuck? Yeah. So got that. It's just the air ambulance. It's not much. And this is probably the one. It's got machine guns. Rotor blades. Oh, and if you check out this set, the previous set, and the set, this actual, not the, this is a Mark. It can hold 2 people, but there's nobody in there at the moment. There's 2 control panels. It's got landing gear and a gear door, which is that black bar. Now done by Grey Stud, and it's all this. Well, that's Bombay. There is 6 stud but Bombay, so it can hold a lot of circular objects. And my version of nukes for the city are so there we go. Looks more like a fucking sperm. And these are like gas bombs, sort of like gas that would fall, explode, and then like tear gas sort of thing. So you could load them up, but these are meant to be loaded separately. I'm going to make a bomb handler truck. It's only going to be titch. But that's probably all there is to this video. But there probably won't be another update video unless I make a significant change like this one to my airport, and I need to let you know. The airplanes will probably be done for a video either some beginning of next month or the end of next month of the airport. But during that, I'm going to do some more Lego, like my city buildings. I'm going to have to do a tutorial on. They actually got working rotors, and the tail rotor actually works, and they both spin at the same time. You can see there's very little clearance. You can see. It's very little clearance. At max. There is titch clearance. Let's see if I can get a bit of a shot. Look. Less than a centimetre. It's like 2-3 millimeters clearance. As you can see, it's very little. But yeah, this one also has a rotating working rotor and tail. There is no tail fin yet because the tail fins are actually in that pile of mess. All that goes up against the wall. That's my art homework. That tubs there. All that goes in them boxes. But yeah, so yeah, I will. Next video will probably be, if I get a complete environment finance, it will be in the Harrier jump jet, which I haven't done a video in nearly 2-3 months now. I still haven't completed it, and I got the Royal International Air Tattoo 2016, and that was in July. we're now in November almost, so I'm nowhere near completing it. It's just doing my sweetings of all the stickers. If I knew where the stickers were, I'll show you, but I'm not too sure. There was somewhere with all my Airfix, which are up there somewhere, but I can't be asked again. Wow, the tail rotor just decided to break. So yeah, I will see you next time. Spudface out.